I'd like to introduce you to the Axcel front-wheel drive power wheelchair from Merit's Health Products in its Avid Rehab division. The Axcel comes in two models. The first is a standard size model with a 24.5-inch overall base width, and also the Axcel Narrow that is a 22.5-inch overall base width. Both the Axcel and the Axcel Narrow are classified as a Group 3 powered mobility device. It includes codes K0856, which is a Group 3 single power coded chair, as well as a K0861, which is a Group 3 multiple power base. The Axcel features power tilt from 0 to 50 degrees, a power recline system with 85 to 160 degrees of recline angle, along with 6 inches of shear reduction, a power articulating foot platform that adjusts from 10 to 18 inches, as well as a power seat lift, and on the Axcel it uses a 12-inch scissor style lift. The Axcel's front-wheel drive configuration offers a very stable base that allows for excellent obstacle handling and rough terrain. With its 26-inch turning radius, it's very maneuverable, especially in tight indoor environments, especially with the Axcel Narrow with the 22.5-inch overall width. The Axcel features RNet electronics, which could include a standard LED joystick or an upgraded color display joystick option, as well as an Omni display to access alternative drive controls such as Adaptive Switch Lab products. Some key features of the Axcel base, the lower portion of the power chair, offers a forward speed of up to 6 miles per hour with its 5,300 RPM motors that offer 222 watts of power. The Axcel features Group 34 batteries for an extended range up to 18 miles, along with 3 inches of obstacle handling and 3 inches of ground clearance. Seat to floor height range is 17.5 to 19.5 inches, and it offers front and rear LED lights that are standard. It also offers a 4-point transit tie-down, which is standard for unoccupied transit of your power wheelchair and vehicles. From an ease of service standpoint, we believe the Axcel is the most tech-friendly, most serviceable power wheelchair on the market. It has a toolless battery access, which we'll review in a moment, as well as easy access to the controllers, easy access to the drivetrain with the motor and gearbox, easy shroud removal for suspension and shock absorber adjustment, and minimal base wiring for easy troubleshooting. Some additional specifications of the Axcel front-wheel drive model include a high-performance independent hydraulic suspension for superior obstacle handling and a smooth ride. The large 9-inch rear casters combined with the 14x3 drive wheels help navigate obstacles and rough terrain with confidence and ease. With seat widths of 14 to 22 inches, seat depths of 14 to 22 inches, each adjusted in 1-inch increments, and a backrest height of 18 to 22 inches with a 2-inch range adjustment at each setting offers a wide variety of options for a number of individuals. Additional specifications, especially of the frequency seating, offers independent seat and back width adjustments to easily achieve endomorphic and mesomorphic configurations to accommodate a large variety of seating needs, all without having to special order. The center of gravity adjustment allows you to move your center of gravity over the base either 1 inch forward or 1 inch rearward. Additionally, the cantilever armrests are angle adjustable, they're height adjustable, they flip back with ease, and they feature both medial and distal adjustability for optimum upper extremity positioning. The Axcel features an RNet electronics package with a 120 amp controller, an RNet tilt angle sensor, an RNet based angle sensor with programmable max back angle and programmable angle inhibit, an intelligent seating module with lights, a 4X bus bar for additional RNet controls when necessary. We also offer the RNet color display joystick that offers both Bluetooth and infrared options for additional capability. The Omni 2 I/O display with switch port access for alternative drive controls like head arrays, sip and puff controls, micro extremity joysticks, among others, is also an option. With the RNet color display joystick, the power on control brings the electronics up and displays in the joystick. It defaults to a drive profile. The RNet system provides for up to 5 programmable drive profiles to meet different environmental needs of the wheelchair user. In addition, We have hazard flashers, lights on and off, as well as being able to adjust the mode. In this case, we allow for through the joystick powered seating functions by changing the mode. When the mode button is pressed, the powered seating functions display, and we're able to toggle through the available powered seating functions. In this case, we have tilt, we have the power articulating foot plate, we have recline in the foot plate that actuates simultaneously, we have a power seat elevator, and we have just the back recline only. Once the available actuator function is selected, actuating the joystick to the rear will allow me to tilt back, and the opposite direction allows me to tilt down. In addition, I can change profiles and modes by activating the power switch in the down position. As well, we offer an independent speed control function from slow to fast within each drive parameter. Let's take a little bit more detailed look at the cantilever armrest. As I mentioned, they flip back with ease to be able to facilitate lateral transfers. And additionally, they're height adjustable on the extrusion on the back to simply be able to find the optimum upper extremity positioning for each client, as well as both medial and distal adjustments to find that optimum upper extremity positioning. Many service technicians have told us that access to the batteries in any front-wheel drive model can be very difficult and cumbersome. With the Axcel, we've provided a very easy way to access the batteries with a one-touch, toolless rear battery door to allow the batteries to slide out and be changed or serviced with ease. Thank you for viewing this video on how to operate your Merits Powered Mobility product.